2019 did the Pass the Phone Challenge. This TikTok trend has people introducing their friends by their qualities and passing the phone to said friend.
I'm passing this phone to the person na malakas lagi ang volume ng headphones kaya hindi niya ako marinig kung tinatawag ko siya.
I'm passing this phone to the person na laging nasa TikTok.
I'm passing this phone to someone na kaya niyang gawing lahat. Maparap, ballad, dance song, lahat-lahat kayang-kaya niya. Ito siya.
I'm passing this phone to someone na inubos ang pera sa Japan, kakagashapon. Oh, let's go!
I'm passing this phone to someone na laging nagtatago sa camera.
I'm passing this phone to someone who is a secret fanboy.
I'm passing this phone to someone who can moonwalk like Michael Jackson.
Saan ang galing yun? I'm passing this phone to someone na nature lover.
I'm passing this phone to someone na mas pinipiling magmotor papunta sa schedule. Tingnan nyo siya sa EDSA, baka nandun siya.
Ay!